Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Recording Guitar. I'm obviously not in my standard environment, my studio. I'm here in South France. I'm enjoying some vacation, but also work, and I thought I will bring Gordon guitar with me. And actually, I choose to go with an Anchor guitar to bring all the way down to South France here in Grasse. It's a beautiful town in the South Riviera. So I thought you will hang with me here for a week or so. We'll see what we can create together. And I just have to mention, this is very live. I had a tourist street right behind me here. Children are screaming, people playing guitar and drums and everything else is going on there. So just bear with me. Sounds may drop into this, this sound I'm recording here. But anyway, let's go into it. And I thought we're gonna start with a song from Joyner Lucas and Blackbear. They do Anxiety Wins. All right, so let's go into this tutorial. We have a good setup here with capo on fourth, absolute best scenario for this song. 3 chords, let's start with those. And the E minor is the first chord. So that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. Next chord is G, and that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. And finally, we have the A minor. Then A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Okay, so we have this cool melody going on here. We're gonna play that from the beginning till the very end if you want to. I'm gonna show you the first chord, E minor, and melody to that. It goes like this. Okay, so you can hold the chord as it is, but also add this 3rd fret E string later on. We're gonna play this, open E string in the bass, then open high E, then second D, and then you can add a clap to it, okay? And then you continue with open G, open B, and a clap as well, and then you finish off with that 3rd E. So together like this. Then you go into the next chord here, the G, and you can hold the 3rd fret E string in the bass and the 3rd fret E string, the high E, all right? It goes. So you're gonna play 3rd fret E string in the bass, then 3rd high E, then you play open G, and then comes the clap there. Then you continue with open B, then finally 3rd high E, and a clap. Okay, then into the A minor part. This one is twice as long as the other chords, and you will see that later on in the strumming, but we'll start with this melody first. What I do here now is to hit that 5th high E string with my little pinky, because you have to reach out to the 2nd fret G string with your index finger. A little bit stretchy, but if you think about it, it's not that too much, because if you consider 1 finger per fret, that will be the standard normal grip to reach. Okay, 5th to 2nd. So what you're gonna play here is this part first. So you're gonna play open 5th or A string, then 5th high E, then 2nd fret D string, sorry, 2nd fret G string, and then clap. Then comes the 1st fret B string, then back to 2nd G string, and clap, and open high E. So that's the first half of it. So you're gonna play. And then I go back to this 5th high E. I start with the open A first, then 5th high E, then open G, then clap, then open B, and then 7th high E. And that's the last note followed by a clap. And that's it. So the A minor together, everything goes like this. And then you start all over again. I'm gonna take you through one melody round, and it goes like this. Great. Now let's go into the strumming, and we have two different strumming patterns here. One main, we're gonna start with that, and it goes like this with the E minor. Now, of course, you have to hold the chord as they are, the full chords. One round goes like this. So you're gonna start with down, down, up, clap, down. So that's the first part, down, down, up, clap, down. And then you have a short pause, and then comes the second half, which will be down, clap, down. So down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. Okay, you're gonna play E minor, one of these strumming rounds, then G1, and then A minor 2. That is one chord progression round. You keep on rolling that till 2 minutes and 31 seconds in. It goes like this. And next round. E minor 1, G1, and A minor 2. That's the first of the second two strumming patterns. The next one is to go more intense with just 4 downs. 4 downs will be one strumming around. So you grab the E minor again, it goes like this. Okay, so 4 downs, fast downs like that is one strumming round. And what you're gonna do now is to play E minor 4, G4, and A minor 8. You play that for 4 rounds, and that will be and last till the very end. So you're gonna play like this: E minor 4, G4, and A minor 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and start again. A second round. You're gonna play 4 rounds of that. If you wanna add in a clap, so you get the beats of this, then you have to play like this. And start all over again. So where do I put in the clap? I put in the clap in the first down every other strumming around. So I play first strumming around with 4 downs. Then comes the first clap in this second round. There, I'm gonna hit the clap instead of playing 1 down. So it will be clap, 1, 2, 3. And then I start the next round again, because we have 4 rounds in total on E minor, just 4 downs. And the second round again, every other round, we start with a clap. So clap, 2, 3, 4. So that's the E minor part. You play the same for G, and then of course you play it twice as long for A minor, since that is the value of 8. So slowly it will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, clap, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, 2, 3, 4, and A minor, clap, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, 2, 3, 4, and next round. And that, my friends, is how you handle Joyner Lucas' Blackbear's Anxiety Wins. A great song and a great way to start my French week, or however long we're gonna stay here and do tutorials here together. So follow me here, guys. It will be fun. And maybe we will record in different places, maybe not just here in my apartment. We'll see about that. But anyway, stay tuned. I hope to see you again, and play tuned.